Hello everyone. Let's see SSC board paper pattern and marking scheme. Now see question number 1. Here three type of questions are there. A1, do as directed simple activities, and A2, do as directed medium activities, and B, do as directed challenging activities. Now see question number 1. A1, do as directed simple activities. Which type of questions are there? Okay, do as directed simple activities. There will be 5 simple activities question, each carrying 1 marks. Students are required to attempt any 4 activities, each carrying 1 marks. Students are required to attempt any 4 activities, and within 5 minutes you have to complete this question. All 4 questions within 5 minutes you have to complete. Now let's see which type of questions may be asked. Question number 1, A1, simple activities. Definitely any 5 will come from this list. Now see first question, make meaningful sentence by using the given phrase. Next, spot the error and rewrite the correct sentence. Identify the type of sentence. Write 2 compound words of your own. Punctuate the following. Pick out the gerund or present participle or past participle or infinitive and use it in your own sentence. Complete the following word chain of nouns or verbs or adjectives. Any one will come, okay, whether it is noun or verbs or adjective. Next, form present participle or past participle where the last letter is doubled. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Find out 2 hidden words from the given word of minimum 4 letters. Rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word. Okay, these all under question number 1, A1, simple activity questions. There you will get any 5 will come. So prepare well for such type of questions. Now see A2, question number 1, A2, do as directed medium activities. Here which type of question? See, there will be 3 middle level activities, each carrying 2 marks. Students are required to attempt any 2 activities, each carrying 2 marks. Okay, any 2 activity you have to write. Now which type of questions? Middle activity questions. Make 2 sentences of your own to show difference of homographs or homophones. Conversion of tenses means identify the tense or change the tense into other tenses. Direct and indirect speech. Change the voice by giving object or subject. Okay, sometimes you will get subject, sometimes you will get object. Okay, make a word register of 4 words related to the given word. Okay, next, which type of questions? Question number 1B, Do as directed. Challenging activities. Challenging activities. Here 2 marks question. Okay, there will be 2 challenging activities from the list. 2 challenging activities you will get. Each carrying 2 marks. Students are required to attempt any one activity. Okay, here 2 questions are there, 2 challenging activity questions are there, each carrying 2 marks, but students are required to attempt any one activity. Okay, now which type of questions? Use of same given word as a noun as well as a verb in sentences. The word should be as it is, no change that word. Okay, next, change the degree of comparison. Pick out the modal auxiliary and state its function. Analyze or synthesize or transform the sentence simple, complex or compound sentence. Next, use the given 2 words in one meaningful sentence. Identify the clauses and name them, or analyze the clauses and name them. Such type of questions may be asked in challenging activity questions. Now listen. Question number 1, here A1, 1 mark each, 4 questions you have to write. 5 questions are there, 4 questions you have to write. That 4 marks question. Within 5 minutes you have to complete question number 1 A1. And question number 1 A2, do as directed, medium activity question. Here only 2 you have to write, 2 marks each. That also 4 marks question. And within 5 minutes you have to complete this question. Within 5 minutes. And question number 1B. Do as directed, challenging activities. 2 questions will be there. Any one you have to write. You will get, for that you will get 2 marks. Total 10 marks question. And challenging activity also within 5 minutes you have to complete. Now listen again. Question number 1. A1, within 5 minutes you have to complete. And A2, within 5 minutes you have to complete, and B also within 5 minutes you have to complete. Now use question number 1, only 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes you have to complete question number 1. Now listen, how to score well in this question. Revise all the grammar learnt since class 7th standard. Understand all the vocabulary based concepts. Read all the activities carefully. Solve all the vocabulary exercises given in the textbook. Learn all the topics given in the language study section of the format thoroughly. Okay, so learn all the topics given in the language study section of the format thoroughly. Learn the meanings of the words and phrases from every lesson. Thank you.